Hey everyone, we have another exciting update about the Huawei Pura 80 series. This time, it's not about the design or performance. It's all about the phone's amazing video recording skills. Recently, Richard Yu, the chairman of Huawei Consumer Business, posted a video on his Weibo account showing off what the Pura 80 series can do when recording something very tricky: fire. Now, you might think filming fire sounds simple, but it's actually quite tough, even for expensive cameras. Why? Because fire isn't just one color. It's semi-transparent, it flickers, and its color changes with temperature. On top of that, the light from the fire can mess up the details around it, causing videos to look too bright or blurry. Usually, when someone wants to film fire properly, they have to adjust the camera settings carefully, changing brightness, exposure, and angles to avoid problems. But here's the amazing part. According to Richard Yu, you won't need to do any of that with the Pura 80 series. He says this new flagship phone can capture fire videos beautifully and realistically without the need to manually change any settings. In his demonstration, Yu showed a short clip of a flame being filmed with the Pura 80. And the results? Absolutely stunning. The flame looked clean, sharp, and full of detail. You could clearly see the layers of the fire, and the color was just right, not too bright and not washed out. There was no overexposure, and even the fine details inside the flame were captured perfectly. This is big news for anyone who loves making videos. It means you can now film in difficult lighting conditions, like by a campfire, during fireworks, or under strong sunlight, and still get smooth, high-quality footage. You won't have to be a camera expert to shoot great-looking videos. Richard Yu also mentioned that the Pura 80 series offers one of the best videography experiences Huawei has ever created, and while he didn't fully show off the phone's design in this video, since subtitles and his hands covered most of it, fans on Weibo believe he was using the Pura 80 Pro or Pro Plus model. From what little we could see, the phone seems to have a large screen with slightly curved edges and a strong metal frame. The device in the video was a beautiful rose-red color, which matches earlier leaks about the Pura 80 Pro Plus. So even though we didn't get a complete look, it's very likely that this was one of the higher-end models being used. Overall, this short demo created a lot of excitement among Huawei fans. It shows that the Pura 80 series is not only great for taking photos, but is also setting a new standard in mobile videography, especially for difficult situations that usually need professional equipment. With this new feature, Huawei is proving that you don't need a professional camera to shoot impressive videos anymore. Whether you're recording a campfire, birthday candles, or just everyday moments, the Pura 80 will make it look clean, clear, and visually stunning. As we wait for the official reveal of the device, one thing is clear. The Pura 80 series isn't just about fancy looks or fast performance. It's about changing what people can expect from smartphone cameras. And from what we've seen so far, Huawei is doing exactly that. So stay tuned, because we might be just hours away from seeing the full design of this amazing flagship. If it looks as good as its camera performs, Huawei could be setting a new trend in smartphones for 2025. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.